So you want to watch where your money's going. You're going to set up a budget 101 statement. How to make a budget. You want to know all the expenses on the insurance, credit cards, loans, and where they're going to start. Instead of budgeting from paycheck to paycheck, you want to sit down and get 6 months bank statements and list all the expenses and income. Budgeting tips would be put each in a category to see what you're spending. There's two types of budgets. There's the fixed budget where cost remains fixed each month. These expenses are the same and income are the same. Budgeting tip for beginners is you can make certain changes without it changing that much. Now on the other type of the variable budget is changing every month or day. You can manage your money. In other words, you've got to have your very best estimates to your expenses, and going income is different amounts for each month. Budget tips: look for every item to see if you can save money in budgeting again, and look into bank statements for the 6 months. Manage your money. You need to look at the optional expenses. These are the ones that fluctuate up and down a lot. They need special attention. For you to budget and save money, always make adjustments. Study it like you're studying for a school final exam. Just set the budget up. The budget will tell you what to do. It's a roadmap. And the budget will show you where to spend, where it shows you can afford, and you can spend a little extra money on yourself if you save on it. You're trying to cut at your expenses. It will give you a roadmap and it'll help you set goals for what you want to do. Saving money for retirement, going to buy a house, or retiring debt. Goals will make you try harder. What this does is create financial freedom. You can set up a spreadsheet to see how you can cut corners. Financial freedom is reached when you don't have to worry about money anymore. You should start looking at your budget about every 2 weeks. You can find free money that you can spend on other things. Please subscribe to my channel because I got some great videos coming out in the next few days.